Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a country in Central Europe and a neighbor to Italy, Austria, Hungary, and Croatia. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Slovenia, Slovenia, Slovenia. Slovenia is known for its stunning natural beauty and is also famous for its medieval towns, friendly people, and unique blend of Alpine and Mediterranean cultural influences. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Slovenia, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.